I'm Jaré Buckley-Cox, and I lead Walmart Fulfillment Services. We created this program to give marketplace sellers an easy, affordable way to ship their orders. We knew we could build something that stood out in the market using the massive scale and wide supply chain knowledge that Walmart's known for. Our top sellers are using WFS to deliver an amazing fulfillment experience, all at a cost that averages 15% less than our competitors. But we're not done. Our latest services go beyond picking, packing, and shipping so sellers can harness the power of Walmart's supply chain to grow their businesses in new ways. Our sellers have been telling us they want a way to extend the benefits of WFS to all their sales channels. That's now possible with our new Multichannel Solutions program, which allows sellers to fulfill orders from any e-commerce site through Walmart's supply chain. You can offer best-in-class fulfillment and cut down on operational complexity by consolidating inventory all in one place. It's a key program for sellers looking to scale while keeping customers happy with fast, reliable shipping no matter where they shop. And our new programs go well beyond the walls of our fulfillment centers. We recently launched our Walmart Cross-Border Import Service, a new ocean freight service for full container load shipments from ports of origin in China to WFS facilities across the U.S. We handle the transportation, and sellers get to enjoy reduced rates and a simpler import process. Your products will be ready for customers faster since they'll go through our expedited receiving process and be injected directly into our network of fulfillment centers across the country. Here in the U.S., sellers are saving money by inbounding through the Walmart Preferred Carrier Program. Sellers can use the carriers Walmart vets and trusts at our negotiated rates. In the past, we've opened our carrier network for small parcel and less than truckload shipments. Now we've unlocked that same speed, reliability, and cost savings for full truckload. When you're ready to send in a truckload of your best sellers, we'll be ready with this easy and affordable solution. The holiday season is coming up fast, and we want to make sure you're set up to profit as much as possible. So I'm excited to let you know that we're waiving peak season storage fees. In an industry where prices often increase during this time, it's our way of saying thank you to our sellers. Make sure we receive your items by September 15th so they're ready for Walmart's holiday shoppers. These new services will be game changers for many of you when it comes to scaling your business, saving on cost, and offering more items for Walmart shoppers to discover. Thank you to our sellers. You continue to help us shape our vision for WFS. I'm excited for you to start using these services, and I can't wait to see what new products you bring in.